If you've already seen our tutorial on creating call sheets, you'll know that call sheets remain in draft form until any mandatory fields have been completed. Sometimes though, you just don't have that information to hand, or you're interrupted and you forget to add it. That's okay though, because in Newbird you can easily come back to any draft call sheet and complete it. That's where our call sheet filter again comes in really handy. Let's take a look. I'm just going to create a new call sheet like this. You can see that it's been assigned a number here, and I'm going to put Nat's Diner in the client field. I haven't given it a description yet. Let's say I accidentally refresh my page, or I'm unable to remember what call sheet I was working on. No problem. Simply go back into call sheets and into the call sheet filter using this filters button. Toggle this draft button to on, and let's scroll down. Here's that draft call sheet I created. You can see it's linked to Nat's Diner too. Now I can just click on it like this and edit to add that description that I'd missed earlier. It's really handy, isn't it? That's how you search for draft call sheets.